Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you guys can see from the title, I thought it would be really fun to do a full face challenge kind of video, and I've seen a bunch of people do a full face using foundation video, and I thought, you know what, it might be really fun to try doing a full face using only concealers video. I've never tried doing this before. I've never done a full face using concealers or a full face using foundation or anything like that, so I thought, you know what, let me try doing this and see if I even can. I just grabbed a bunch of different shades, a bunch of different concealers from a bunch of different brands. I just said bunch so many fucking times. Fuck, that's annoying, huh? Anyway, guys, that's what today's video is going to be. I have been basically MIA out of commission for the past week. I've been super busy working on this project that I've been doing, and it's just been a whirlwind. And it's not for Lunar Beauty. It's actually like me as MannyMua. So you guys will be seeing that shortly. Like, I'm fucking excited. Like, I cannot wait for you guys to see what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. I just feel like I'm kind of out of it. You know, I haven't filmed in a minute. I'm trying to get back in. I'm trying to, you know. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys do not like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. But if you guys do like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're not already, you will not be sorry. My channel is fucking awesome. It really hella is. Okay, then, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this full face using only concealers. Okay, cool, so let's go ahead and go right into today's video. I am actually kind of nervous to do this because these full face challenge videos doing something like random as fuck, they get me nervous. First, let's start off with some La concealer, and this is gonna be like our base concealer because it's like in a stick, and I thought it would be not too bad to start with because it's not like that intense. I've actually never used this concealer on my face before, so we're just gonna do a couple kkkkks, you know, and then we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. Oh, we'll be going in with some more things for sure. Yeah, that's not exactly what I'm thinking with coverage-wise, honey. Okay, so that's a natural concealer. Beautiful natural. We're gonna have to change that up a little bit, honey. No. Let's go in with some Born This Way concealer as our foundation instead. Oh, that's jaundice. No. Maybe we can do Tarte Shade Tape all over the face. Much better. Okay, do you see this red thing right there? Guess what that's from, you guys? You guys are never gonna guess. Guess. I'll give you 2 seconds. 1, 2. Yeah, you didn't guess, huh? Anyway, it's a fucking burn. It's a burn from a fucking curling iron. A curling iron. It was a hair person that was curling my hair. She burned the fuck out of my fucking forehead, and I almost screamed. I'm not kidding you. Like, I've never been burned on my face before from anything like this, and I almost went off on her. I'm not gonna lie. You know, usually I'm really patient with this kind of, like, with people. I'm really nice. I'm a really pretty princess, but I swear, when she burnt me, like, in that split moment, I almost attacked her. I'm not proud, but, like, it is what it is, you know? Oh god, my face is gonna be poreless by the end of this. So we can see we have concealer all over the face. So now let's go ahead and do some concealer underneath our eyes, like actual concealer, like for real. I'm gonna take some Kylie Gypsum. Some gypsum. I love this concealer, y'all. I really just love it. I cannot help it. It's just a good one. And it's really beautiful. Okay. You guys, I think we can do this, you know? I think that we can make this happen. I think that will look beautiful, like 100%. Dude, I have not done my makeup in literally over a week and a half, and I'm literally forgetting what to do. Have you guys ever done that where, like, you guys are, like, so used to doing something, but you don't do it for, like, a little while, and you all of a sudden are like, how do I do this? That's how I feel right now. Because literally this past week, I had makeup on, but I wasn't doing it myself. Taking some Mars. I was getting it done, so I'm like, the fuck do I do? How do I do this again? Okay, you guys, this is starting to get a little crazy. We're looking real white, and I think I'm living. Right now, this is the easy part, like the concealing, like the normalness of it all. But as soon as we get into like bronzing and contouring with concealers, oh bitch. There's full coverage, and then there's this. So I decided for this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be setting my under eye just so we don't look so creasy and like look ugly, you know, because we really want to give this a fair shot. So I'm just going to set my under eye really quickly, and then we will continue on with the face that launched 1,000 ships, bitch. Oh my god, I'm literally a cakey disaster. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit more Kylie concealer to bronze up the skin. Oh, that is yellow. Did we make a mistake, honey? We might have. That was the wrong shade for me. Shit. Okay, I mean, like, for now, like, that's just what we're gonna have to do, you know? Because that's just the shade we got. I swear, whenever I'm doing challenges, I'm so much more quiet because I'm so concentrated on not being such a flop. Do you guys know what I mean with that? Like, I'm really concentrating right now. I'm trying really hard to not be a flop for you guys, and it literally is so hard. There's a little bit more of a cool tone shade right there. Okay. Thank God for beauty blenders. I thank him every day. Let's do a little bit on the nose. Okay, usually concealers are very like warm in nature. Like there's not a lot of cool tone concealers. That's just kind of how it is because people usually want to cover up like darkness and discoloration, and usually they need to do that with like warmer tones. In case you guys are wondering, Manny, why are you using such orangey shades? Does it look like I got motherfucking options up in this piece? I don't. Okay. Boom, bitch. I'm starting to get into this shit. Like I'm getting into this. Look at me contouring a nose with a cream. I don't do this. Okay, I'm starting to look painted, honey. Like actual painted. Okay, you guys, we're getting somewhere. Like we're actually getting somewhere right now, and I'm really excited that I'm not looking as floppy as I thought. Come on, oxidation. How are you doing? So for blush, what we're gonna do, guys, I remember that Fenty Beauty has these things called matchsticks, and they can be used as contour, concealer, and colors. So I'm like, you know what? Let's go and use a matchstick, because technically they're promoted as any kind of colored stick of like foundation or concealer or anything that you might need it for. And I'm like, you know what? Perfect. Let's go and use that for blush. So I'm gonna take this matchstick in the shade Ready. I'm gonna put that onto the blushy spots. Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's actually really funny because I'm not the biggest fan of the matchsticks. So I'm like, what do I do? How do I use these? I don't like them. Fenty has beautiful, good shit. I just don't think the matchsticks are one of them. You know? Aww. I look so blushy. Okay, guys, so now for highlighter, what we're gonna use, I'm gonna take the YSL Touche Éclat, and because that is like the most brightening concealer that I have, and like when you blend it out, it has like little sparkles of glitter in it, so I'm like, you know what, let me just use that as like highlighter, because like that's like all I got, you know, like that's just really, it's literally the most glowy concealer that I own. Did you guys see any difference? Probably not. Probably not. This is gonna be one of those looks that's just like real matte and real editorial, you know, really contoured, really glowy. That's what this is, okay? Ooh, that's a queen, honey. This is gonna be a bitch to take off, just so we're all aware. Just so you guys know, I do know it's gonna be a bitch to take off. Hey guys, what are we thinking? Do we think that we look great? Or do we think, Manny, you done fucked up, sweetie, and you need to find another career? What's this tea here? Because honestly, I don't think it looks that bad. I don't. You know, I think it could have been a lot worse. Why don't we just set it just to be evil to myself? Why don't we just do that? Let's set the whole thing in place so it can't move. Yummy. Just translucent powder so we don't fuck up the color at all of anything. Okay, this is the carita. And the kind of hair. It's fine. You know, it's for the video. It's for the gigs. So now that we have the base done, we have the face on. This is the face. We're gonna go ahead and do the brows now. This is the part I was a little scared about. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nerved. We're gonna be taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer in the shade Extra Deep Neutral. Literally the darkest shade I could find in this. And we're gonna do our brows with it because I have very, very, very dark brows, as we can see. And I'm like, okay, this is like a chocolatey, warm brown. Like I was saying earlier, like there's literally like not a lot of cool tone concealers. And by not a lot, I mean like fucking any. So we're gonna try to do brow, honey. I'm so sorry, y'all. Are you joking me right now? Like, how am I gonna do this? How am I going to pull this off? I'm not a redhead. Like, I'm just not a redhead. I'm not that girl. Jesus. Okay, let's take a little bit of, maybe we can make some of Kylie in here. I'm gonna cry, you guys. Honestly, it was going okay. You guys, what is happening here? What is happening? The more I blend these colors, the more warm it gets. Are you joking? Like, is this an actual joke, or are we being serious? Because I'm a little shook. Okay, you know what? We're not gonna scream, and we're not gonna cry about it. It is what it is. This is our red brow. And we're going to live with it, okay? Let's go ahead and outline the brow because we want to make sure this brow stays beautifully in place. And we want to make sure it looks beautifully clean. And we're going to use what to outline it? Concealer. You know, with it being outlined and carved out and cleaner, it looks better, but I still hate it. You know? Okay, you guys, so now for the part that I have been dreading the most. We have to do our eye makeup with full concealer. So I'm just gonna take this whole palette right here, and we're just gonna go in, and we're just gonna do a full, I think I'm gonna do like a cut crease, like a half cut crease like I do normally, like I've done like so many times before. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, you know what? Okay, it's okay. Pretend it's a cream, and we're just gonna put it all over the eye. Dude, we just need to think logically, and we will be fine. Beautiful brown smoky eye. I'm gonna blend out those edges. Apparently we're gonna blend them away. What the fuck? Now we're gonna take a little bit of that Kylie color again and put that by the lash line. Ooh. Okay, I put too much. I put too much. Calm down. Calm down. Like, technically, do you want me sickening? If you could like use this as a base. For example, if you want to do a smoky eye, that's like a black smoky eye or a brown smoky eye. Why not put down concealer first? If you just happen to have a deeper concealer around, and you're thinking, I don't really use that for my under eye, but what if you can use it for your other areas? Am I onto something here? In order to keep it looking fresh and sickening. Oh my god, these are so Kylie, you're pigmented. Calm your tits. Okay. We're gonna make it smoky. It's like an easy, super easy blend. Oh my goodness. Do you guys like it? Do you like it? I'm going a little crazy, you all. I'm just saying. Okay, do you want to gag? I was going to bed because of work at 6 a.m. every single day. And the last day, I went to bed at 7 in the morning. I know. What was that? What the fuck was that? Oh my god, it's like a what? Take a lighter concealer and just conceal underneath the concealer. Too much to think about. I know. I'm a little confused too. My concealer is all starting to mesh and it's getting to become messy. Why is this actually so much harder than it needs to be? I feel like I'm making this harder. You guys, I just want you all to know that I'm a little disappointed in myself right now. I really shouldn't have tried to do a smoky eye, and I should have just done a cut fucking crease like I said I should. That's what we're doing. Fuck it. Fuck it, bitch. We're gonna do that instead. And we're gonna carve this out like we've never, ever carved something out before. Like that, yes. Yes. To keep that in place, you guys, we set with powder, and then we keep it moving. Okay, we keep it moving. Boom. Powder. Let's be honest with ourselves. That's looking a lot better than what it was. That's as best as we gonna get right now. Let's highlight that inner corner. And the brow bone. You know, for cream concealer, I'm not hitting it as bad as I thought I was going to, you know? So this is what we have so far. Okay, now before we finish the other eye off of camera, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some eyeliner and we're gonna see if this works. We're gonna take that same color that I put on my brows, or as my eyeliner shade. Right here. And there we have it, you guys. We have an eyeliner of concealer. Okay, now I'm gonna go finish the other eye off of camera and put some lashes on, and we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, the eyes are on. They are done. Honestly, they're not too tragic. You know, it is what it is. We're using a full face using only concealers, and I think that for just using only concealers, I did a pretty good banging job. And I honestly like how it looks. Could be nicer. Yeah, I know. So now we are on to lips, and we will be officially done with today's video. I'm nervous for this. This is the part I was the most like, oh, fuck me. Like the most fuck me of all the fuck me's in this, it's the lips. Okay. How pale is that? Okay, we're gonna have to... Honey, we're gonna have to mix some shades up in this piece. I want to make like a custom nude. Okay. That looks sick. No. I can't allow that to happen. No. We're gonna take the brown. Actually, yeah, we're gonna take the brown. Okay. I've been doing everything with this brush. This is the Morphe M158, by the way, in case you guys are wondering. Now we're gonna take a little bit of the lighter one in the center, and then we'll take a little bit of the touche éclat in the center, the very center of that. Damn, bitch, those are some fucking DSLs. DS motherfucking L's. And there we have it. We have the entire face done. We have an entire face using only concealer. What do we think, you guys? What do we think? I think that this was a challenge, and it was fucking hard as tits, but we got it there. Okay, you guys, and that is it for today's video. We did a full face using only concealer, and this is what it turned out to be. It's very warm. It's very, like, unique. Unique is definitely the right word. This is my palette of mixing bullshit. But anyways, you guys, I had honestly so much fun doing this. It's so fun to do challenges because that's the whole point of it, is that it's a challenge. It's actually kind of hard to do, and it kind of tests your skills a little bit. And if you guys ever want to just kind of mess around and play with makeup and just see what you can and can't do, or just things that you want to practice a little bit more, try it out and see what you guys think. Do I look kind of crazy right now? Yeah, I kind of do, but that's the whole point. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun creating it for you guys. Have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are. I love you guys so much, and thank you for all love and support constantly, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys. I love you. Mwah. Stop texting me. My mouth literally looks like a baboon's ass, like this, like ombre out, like dark in the center, pink in the middle. It's not even pink, it's just nude. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My body Just put it in the air. Have y'all ever seen such a beautiful night? I could almost... Let me stop. Zaya, honey, I'm filming, mama. You're gonna have to calm your tit. Okay. I can do this. Okay. I'm not a flop. Miss United States. We're gonna live happily with this fucking girl. We're taking a break because it's starting to blend together and it's starting to get overwhelmed a little bit, not gonna lie. Of all the fuck me's, Slippy. Fuck, this is so hard. God damn.